How to acclimate Ipe wood before installation. Skip this step, and even the best decking can cup, check, or warp. Tropical hardwoods like Ipe are shipped at a moisture content that may be very different from your local climate. Acclimation lets the wood gradually adjust to your environment's temperature and humidity before you fasten a single board. Most decking failures start with installing too early, so this step is critical. As a general estimate, Ipe should acclimate for 7 to 14 days minimum, depending on your climate and storage conditions. Thicker boards take longer, and humid climates may require extra time. For a customized estimate based on your exact location, use the free acclimation calculator at ipewoods.com. Here's how to set up your boards correctly. First, elevate them on blocks at least 12 inches off the ground for ventilation. Next, sticker the boards. That means placing wooden shims between each row so air can circulate on all sides. Cover the stack with plywood to protect from rain, but never use a tarp or plastic. These trap moisture and do more harm than good. Always store boards outdoors, never in enclosed spaces like garages. Let's review the do's and don'ts. Do store boards on blocks 12 inches off the ground. Do separate rows with wooden shims. Do cover with plywood only. Don't use tarps or plastic. Don't store in garages or enclosed spaces. And don't store for more than 28 days without contacting Ipe Woods USA for additional handling tips. How do you know when your wood is ready? Use a moisture meter. Pin-type meters are the most accurate for tropical hardwoods. They drive probes into the wood to measure internal moisture. Pinless meters are faster, but less reliable on ultra-dense species like Ipe. If your meter has a species adjustment, make sure to set it for tropical hardwood for accurate readings. When testing, measure at least 10 to 15 boards per delivery. Test 3 points on each board, near each end and at the center. Avoid testing end grain, knots, or cracks. The key indicator isn't one perfect number, it's consistency. If readings vary widely across a single board, that board needs more time. For exterior decking, your target range is 12 to 18% moisture content. The most common mistakes we see are only testing one board instead of the full bundle, skipping the species adjustment on the meter, testing just the surface instead of internal moisture, and rushing to install before readings stabilize. Take your time. Your deck will thank you for up to 75 plus years. Visit ipewoods.com to use our free acclimation calculator and get a customized timeline for your project. Have questions? Call 1-844-674-4455 or visit ipewoods.com today.